Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is for class 5th for the subject of mathematics and is being submitted to you on 22nd February 2021. Students, in this lesson, we are going to revise the questions based on percentage, weight, time, and temperature. So, let us start our today's lesson with the very first chapter, that is percentage. So let's have a look on our question number 1, that is find the percentage of the following questions. So let's see which is the first one here. It is 21 upon 50, 7 upon 20, 35 upon 40 and 2.896. Now children, you know that how to find a percentage. Whenever we have to find the percentage, we have to multiply the given fraction by 100. So children, in all the parts, you just have to multiply the given fraction by 100%. Okay, students? So let's have a look on our very first part, that is 21 upon 50. So now just multiply it with 100 and after cancellation you will get 50 ones are 50 and 50 twos are 100. So now you are left with 21 and 2 in the numerator. So you will get 42%. So what is the answer in the first one? 42%. Now let us discuss our B part. It is 7 upon 2. So it's the same one. You have to find the percentage. So you have to multiply this with 100%. So now let's cancel it. 21s are 20 and 25s are 100. So now you are left with 7 and 5 in the numerator. So you will multiply 7 fives are 35. So what is your final percentage? 35%. Is it clear, students? Let's move on to our third part, that is 35 upon 40. That is multiply by 100%. After cancellation, after converting into lowest form, you will get 175 upon 2. So, as it is an improper fraction, you have to convert it into mixed fraction. You will get 87 1 upon 2%. Or children, you can write in decimal, that is 87.5% because half means 0.5. So you can write 87.5%. Okay. Now let's have a look on D part. It's 2.896. You have to multiply with 100%. And you know that when you are multiplying a decimal with 100, it is going to shift on the right side and two places. So your decimal will come exactly after 9. So your answer is 289.6%. Okay, students, are you clear with this question? Let's move on to our question number 2. Convert the following percentage into fraction. Now, children, here the percentage is given to you and you have to find the fraction. Children, 22% means 22 out of 100. Okay, so in this 22 out of 100 means 22 divided by 100, because 22 out of 100 means 22 upon 100. Now children, you just have to cancel them in the lowest form. So you know that it is 20 ones are 20, 11, 22 11s are 22, and here when you cancel it you will get 50. Okay children, so your answer is 11 upon 50. Okay students, so this is your answer. Now let's have a look on this 7.5%. Okay, so 7.5% means 7.5 out of 100. Okay, what can you write? 7.5 out of 100, and 7.5 out of 100 means 7.5 divided by 100. Further, you know that whenever there is a decimal, if you remove it, one extra zero will come in the denominator. So it will be 75 divided by 1000. Okay, so your fraction become now 75 upon 1000. Okay, students, now you just have to cancel it in now convert in the lowest form. So after cancellation your final answer is 3 upon 40. Here you can cancel it with 25 directly or cancel it with 5 then again with 5. Okay, students, so let's discuss question number 3. Convert the following given units. First one, 3 hectogram into decigram. B, 4.62 decigram into centigram. C, 7823 milligram into gram. Before doing this conversion, let's have a quick revision of the units of weight. So these are the units of weight. It is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. And children, I guess everyone remembers that whenever we are converting a higher unit into lower, you will multiply. Okay, and while converting a smaller unit into higher, what you will do, you will divide by the power of 10 according to the relation. Is it clear? Let me repeat one more time. If you are converting a higher unit into lower, you will multiply as I have written, and while converting lower into higher, you will divide. Is it clear, children? So let us discuss our parts. Your first part is 3 hectogram into decigram. Okay, so now children, let's have a look. Hectogram is your here, this is your hectogram and this is your decigram. So you are converting a higher unit into lower. That means you will multiply. So you will multiply with 1000. Okay, because 1 hectogram is equal to 1000 decigram. So 3 multiply 1000 will give you 3000 decigram. Is it clear, students? Now let's move on to our B part. That is your 4.62 decigram into centigram. So decigram into centigram. So decigram is the higher unit and centigram is the lower. So in this case also you are going to multiply. And 1 decigram is equal to 10 centigram. You can see here it's only 10. So now children, let's multiply 4.62 by 10 and you are going to shift your decimal on the right side. So here your final answer is 46.2 centigram. Is it clear, students? So now let's move on to our C part. That is 7823 milligram into gram. So now children, in this milligram is your lower unit and your gram is your higher. So in this case you are going to divide. Okay, and the relation is 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. So let us divide the given number by 1000. So it is 7823 divided by 1000. So your answer is 7.823 gram because decimal will come in the answer. Fine. Now let's move on to question 4. It's very simple. You just have to add these numbers. First one 7 kg 723 gram, 12 kg 24 gram, 6 kg 793 gram. Now children, kg you will write under kg and gram you will write under gram. So first one 7 kg 723 gram, 12 kg 024 gram. Because children 1 kg is 1000 gram, so 0 will come. So it is 12 kg 024 gram. And then last one is 6 kg 793 gram. So now children, after adding all these three values, you will get 26 kg 520 gram. Okay, students. So this is your A part. Now let's see our B part, that is the subtraction. Now you have to subtract 10 kg 290 gram from 23 kg 750 gram. So now children, whatever is written after from, it will come first. So 23 kg 750 gram. Under that you will write 10 kg 290 gram. So now children, just subtract them quickly. And what is your answer? Yes, your answer is 13 kg 460 gram. Okay, children. So now let us come to our question number 5. This is very important question, children. A clock is given to you and you have to see the hands of the clock and you will tell the time in three different ways. Let's have a look at the hands of the clock. Our hand is between 12 and 1 and your our hand is between 12 and 1 and your minute hand is at 5. So now let's discuss our time in three different ways. So now children, as it is at 12, so it is 12 hour 25 minutes. Okay, so it's 12:25. Now another way of writing it, it's 12 minutes past 12. Okay, so now next is, if 12 minutes already passed, 25 minutes already passed, so how many minutes are still left for 1 o'clock? So there are total 60 minutes. So 60 minus 25 is your 35. So children, you can say that it's 35 minutes to next hour, and that is 1. Okay, children. So these are the three different ways to tell the time. Okay, now let's move on to our question 6, that is convert the following. Now the first one is 7 hours 20 minutes into minutes. Now children, you have to convert 7 hours 20 minutes into minutes. So 1 hour is how much? 60 minutes. So it means children, you have to multiply 7 with 60 and then you have to add 20 minutes more. So it's 760, 7 into 60, 420 plus 20 more. So your final answer is 440 minutes. Okay, children. So this is your answer. 440 minutes. Now let's discuss our B part, that is 2 weeks, 5 days into days. Now children, here you have to convert weeks into days. So 1 week, 7 days. So here you will multiply with 7. 2 into 7 plus 5 more days. So it is 14 plus 5, which will give you 19. So what is your final answer? 19 days. So 2 weeks, 5 days means 19 days. Is it clear, students? So we have done our conversion also. Now let us discuss our mental maths. We have to just discuss this quickly. Now children, in this, 1 decade is equal to 10 years. Decade means 10 years. B part, minute hand completes 24 rounds of a clock in whole day. Minute hands, I repeat, your minute hands take how many rounds in one day? It's 24. It takes 24 times. Now, 1 hectogram is how much kg? That is 1 hectogram is equal to 1 upon 10. That is further 0.1 kg. Now, next one. What should be added to 700 gram to make equal to 2 kg? So now children, you know that 2 kg means 2000 gram. So what should be added to 2 kg to make it, what should be added to 700 gram to make it 2 kg? So it is 1300, because 1300 plus 700 will give you 2000 gram, and 2000 gram means 2 kg. I hope children you are clear with all the 7 questions which we have discussed in today's lesson. So if you have any confusion, please look at the video one more time. Thank you, students.